Welcome to Abdul JES. Adobe PDF Viewer is a Joomla component which uses Adobe API to show your PDF files with several configurations. Once installed, you have access to customer support and updates in order to ensure that you are taking advantages of all the features that Adobe PDF Viewer component offers. And support is free for 3 months. Why you should get Adobe PDF Viewer? Check out its features. It's easy configurable. It has table or div-based layout to best fit your script. It has bidirectional layout, that is right to left and left to right. It show or hide the download or print buttons. It has 3 embed view modes of PDF, that is full window, lightbox and size container to fit your content space. It has free 3 months customer support, and it is using translatable string so that you can easily translate in your native language.